Hello all my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. This is Simaligas. For today's video I want to show you how you can make 1000 US dollar in one day. So just stick with me until the very end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. So let's start the video. So first of all, you go on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is found on internet and it has all the coins that you wish to see. Actually, before a coin goes on any exchange where you find it, it is always first posted on CoinMarketCap. So any exchange that wishes to use that coin, it goes on CoinMarketCap and it see its performance before it goes and post it on its platform. So you'll go on MarketCap and you go directly on cryptocurrencies, because this video is purposely mainly on cryptocurrencies. So once you're on cryptocurrencies, there is price 1 hour. I'll make a tutorial on how you can use CoinMarket if at all you want to use CoinMarketCap in other videos that you wish to use it, because it is very good. So when you go on cryptocurrencies, there is price 1 hour, 24 hours, but specifically we are going to concentrate on 1 hour and 24 hours. So what we are going to look for a coin that has registered a lot of losses in 24 hours or in 1 hour. So it depending on what you want to use. So when you use 24 hours, when you click it first time and you click it the second time, it will bring the coins that have lost a lot in 24 hours. So you can see that there is Mina, there is Hedra, there is Optimum. So we are going to look even the coin that is in derivatives when you go on any exchange that you want to use. But for me, I'm going to use bybit. So if you need a bybit account and you don't have a link, just go in my videos down there in my description or in my comment. You'll find a pinned comment there and you click on that very link and you still earn when you open with me a bybit account. So still on CoinMarketCap, you will choose the coin that have registered a lot of losses in 24 hours. To me, I'm going to use, let me use OP. This OP is found also on Binance or Bybit, but to me, I'm going to use Bybit. And you can still go in and check how it is performing. So you can see its market cap, fully diluted market cap, the volume in 24 hours, saturating supply. So you can see that this coin is good. So even you can see where you are going to find your OP from. You can see whether your exchange has it. When you are done with that, you go on Bybit, you look for it. First of all, you go on derivatives. If at all you don't know how to use derivatives, just go in my videos there. You will see how you can use derivatives. So when you go on USDT perpetual, you will look for exactly where you're going to see OP, and OP is found here. So this is how OP looks like in monthly chart. So you can see, you go in 1 hour chart and you see how it is performing. So you can see that OP has been performing badly, but it's now trying to move up and gain some percentage. So once you decide to buy it, then you come here and you select which margin mode that you want to use. You can use isolated or cross, but most cases you can use isolated, because in isolated you use only the money that is in OP, but in cross, once the money in OP is done, then it goes in other accounts and uses other amount that you have on your account. So it is always advisable to use isolated. So still on isolated, you select the leverage that you want to use. In most cases, I advise people to use leverage from 1x up to 10x, depending on which coin that you want to use. So you confirm. So once you confirm, it depends which that you want to use here, the order type that you want to use. You can use limit, you can use market, you can use conditional, but to me, I'm going to use limit for the purpose of today's video. So this is the price that you're going to buy from. This is the quantity. So you first select the price that you want to follow when you're buying the OP chart. So you put the quantity that you want to use of OP and you select the buying option. To me, I don't have amount of OP, but let me show how it looks like. When you select buy, it will give you the entry price, market price, and the liquidated price of OP. But to me, I already have one of my positions which is right now open, and I'm right now in 51%, and you can see that I have already made some profits. I've already made some profits. So that's how I made it, and that's how I've been moving with all the videos that I've been looking for. So if you want to make or you to gain at least 1k, just stick with me and you make such gains. And even it depends which capital that you have. Of course, that capital matters a lot, but in most cases you go with that coin that you are very sure that it will come back at time t or very soon, and you even follow specifically the liquidated price in the limited time that you're going to use that coin. So hope you have understood everything, how you can make that money, just as simple as that. So just a reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Good luck. I love you so much. Bye.